colorful rally by children of various schools of Tripura, as well as walkathon by bedecked young women of the state wearing their best traditional fineries, including the many coined necklaces of the tribal people of Tripura, were included in the day-long very enjoyable, zesty and colorful celebrations of the 36th Kokborok Day in Tripura. Kokborok is a language spoken by a majority of tribal people of the state. The state has a population of over 12 lakh tribal people, of whom many speak Kokborok language. The aim of the rally and celebrations of a special Kokborok Day is to propagate the language. Apart from encouraging the celebrations, the government has also started a Kokborok course in Tripura University. Besides, a total of 943 schools of the state teach Kokborok language, while 49 schools teach Halam Kuki language and 58 schools teach Chakma language.
हमारा जो सरकार का जो नीतियाँ ऐसा है जो हम हर लैंग्वेज को सिर्फ बल्कि बंगला और कोकबोरोक नहीं है, त्रिपुरा में और भी ऐसा गुट है जैसे चकमा, हलाम, गारो, मॉक, ऐसा बहुत गुट है। इसी सारी गुट का जो उनका लैंग्वेज, उनका जो संस्कृति, इसको भी कैसे रक्षा किया जाए, उसको डेवलप किया जाए, उसका कोशिश है। इसीलिए त्रिपुरा में हमने कोकबोरोक और माइनॉरिटी लैंग्वेज का डायरेक्टरेट बनाया।
हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी भाषा पूरे नेशनल इंटरनेशनल तक जाए। हमारी भाषा का हम बहुत प्यार करते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि सब ये भाषा जाने, जैसे कि ये त्रिपुरा की सेकेंड द्वितीय भाषा है, सरकारी भाषा। तो हम चाहते हैं कि ये सब जगह पर सब जाने हमारी भाषा, सब बोले।
Apart from the rally, a hugely entertaining music and dance program focusing on Kokborok songs were put up in the evening with singers and dancers performing several lilting songs and foot-tapping dances. The venue of this program was the town hall of the state, which was jam-packed on the occasion. The crowds enjoyed the traditional dances, which included both fast numbers and slow melodies, agricultural symbolism, and with props like umbrellas.
It's sports time now on Youth Folio. Today, we shall show you glimpses of Sir Churachan Singh Memorial Football Tournament.
A total of 29 football teams, including 4 outstation teams, participated in the 57th Sir Churachan Singh Memorial Football Tournament held recently in Manipur's Khuman Lampak Stadium. In the final match, which was thronged by a stadium full of football lovers, SSB team of West Bengal defeated local team Tidimp Road Athletic Union or TRAU by 1-0. SSB strikers NG Jeet Kumar and H. Govindan were applauded hugely by the fair crowd. SSB received a glittering trophy and cash award of Rs 2 lakh, while runners-up team TRAU got Rs 1 lakh. While the artificial football turf was sponsored by FIFA here, the state government has sanctioned money for a full-fledged football stadium around this turf to encourage sports in the state further.
This tournament is popularly known as Shishimit. This is one of the oldest football tournament in the northeast India and registered with All India Football Federation.
stars descended on the Guwahati fashion runway recently, highlighting to the world that the Assam capital is now a vibrant metropolis. Enjoy some glimpses of the show in our next section.
The peaceful situation and growing status of Guwahati as one of the country's buzzing metropolitan cities is drawing many celebrities to the Assam capital. The latest in line was Bengali beauty film star Bipasha Basu, who enthralled a fashion ramp wearing a wine-red evening outfit designed by wacky fashion designer Rohit Verma of Bigg Boss fame. Apart from Bipasha, there was film actor Neel Nitin Mukesh, who too looked dapper in a red kurta and pajama. Apart from the stars, there were top-ranking models of the country like Indrani Dasgupta, Nayonika Chatterjee, and Aditi Govatrikar, who among others adorned the Guwahati ramp. Designer Rohit Verma, who too amusingly wore a sari and walked the ramp himself, had designed a whole lineup of eye-catching gowns in multifarious colors, embellished ghagras, splendidly worked saris, and a special line of mekhla chadors, shirts, jackets, shawls and stoles made up of the Assamese Muga silk. The event also included many songs and dance numbers. The film stars said that they were very pleased to be in Guwahati and wished to see more of the Northeast in future.
I have worn a lot of mekhlas as a teenager. I've had a lot of Assamese friends. And yeah, today there was a little twist to the mekhla on ramp, I heard. I've not seen that portion, but I would love to see those clothes. Yeah, it's just a beautiful part of the Assamese culture. The dressing is beautiful and the women are beautiful here.
Well, viewers, we have to wind up the episode now. But before going, here is the announcement of the names of the contest winners.
For our contest section, we had asked which expo did we show in the first section. The answer is First International Agri-Horti Show in Guwahati, Assam. The winners are Rengam Shimre from Ukhrul, Manipur, Robi Gyadi from Seppa, Arunachal Pradesh, and Purna Gohai from Sonitpur, Assam.
Congratulations, winners! You will get your gift check soon. For others who want to win as well, answer this simple one. Whom did we cover in our profile segment? Send in your answers to youth_folio@yahoo.com or SMS to 94354-07310. See you all next Thursday at the same time and on the same channel. Until then, goodbye, take care.